Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Melody. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to show you some tea video. This has been requested for quite some time. So first we're going to make this tea, just the milk tea. So I have 1 cup of pure milk, like the high fat milk, the regular milk. And now you can add to this one another cup of water if you want a little bit watery tea, or you can make it really thick tea for your guests. So it's up to you. Now I have here 2 kinds of tea, jasmine tea, and I have this was my friend brought it, and it's a Indian tea, and I have little bit of cardamom seeds. Okay, so I'm going to add all of this to this tea. And I have here 1 teaspoon of this brown sugar. You can add regular sugar, 1 or 2. This is 1 teaspoon. So now I'm going to boil all this, and after I boil it for like 5 minutes or so, and when the color comes right, then I'm going to serve it. So I'll show you once I boil it. And this is the cardamom seeds. Okay, these are just the seeds. You can grind it or you can eat just like that. So let me boil it. So as you can see, I put it for boiling, and now I'm going to wait till it comes to a full boil. And just boil it for 5 minutes, okay, until it gives a nice color. Here 2 kinds of tea mix. One is jasmine tea and another is black tea. So there's 2 kind of tea. You can mix any other you wish. And I mix this to 1 teaspoon each. And I have a cup of milk. You can use 1 cup water as well, and some cardamom seeds. Now cardamom seeds, you can grate the seeds. So it came to a full boil, and now I'm going to just turn it off and put the lid and let it sit for 5 minutes. So that will give a really nice aroma. So this is your very thick tea. So this is your very thick tea, and this tea be very strong and tasty, and you can serve it to your guests. And this is, I made it a small cup, and you can make it in a big cup, and that will require you 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water, or you can add 2 big cups of milk. So this is extremely tasty and has the milk, 2 kinds of tea bags, jasmine and black tea, and cardamom seeds, and that's all added to it. And there are some tea masala available. If you wish to buy and add it, you could do that. Now next I'm going to show a kada tree. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.